Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I flat ironed my hair. This was my first time. So just enjoy the video. Bye. It's important to detangle your hair very well and also to use a heat protectant in order to avoid heat damage. Can you see those thin ends at my nip? Ah, well, this is a benefit of straightening your hair. You get to see the real state of your hair and your ends. That's why some naturals flat iron their hair prior to trimming because it would aid in knowing the extent to trim your hair. I did the same thing for the right side of my hair, and after doing that, I wasn't too satisfied with my edges, so I had to use a smaller inch flat iron to just retouch the roots of my edges. So that's the finished result. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be doing a video on how I trim my hair, so please watch out for it and watch it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.